Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Thursday, May 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly dollar yen, I still think there's a very good possibility this is the end of an ABC correction. If that is the end of an ABC correction, then this is going to end up continuing the downtrend, probably go all the way down and take out this low, because that's what happens at the end of an ABC correction, no matter what time frame you may be on. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where you can start to see the lower lows, lower highs that would make up what I think is a 1. I think this is an ABC, most likely a 2. And I do believe that we are going to end up ending this wave 2 and going down for a wave 3. We are already bouncing off the 38%, so we're definitely going to have to keep an eye out on the sort of time frames for evidence that this wave 2 is already complete. So let's head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have a nice uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like an A. This is probably 3 ways down for the A, B, C, or B. And this right here does look like an uptrend for the C. Now, the thing you have to pay attention to is that it has not taken out any structure yet. That tells me that there's a very good possibility this could go up again, maybe even all the way to the 50% Fibonacci level to finish the wave C before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, 4 hour time frame, as of now, it still looks like this is impulsive down. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here, because if it does make one wave up, which it did, 3 waves down, which it did, and another wave up to a Fibonacci level, and then an impulsive turn to the downside, that's what will tell me that this is the end of a correction and most likely the continuation of the downtrend. Now, on the other hand, if it makes that bigger pattern to the upside, then maybe it will bounce off Fibonacci levels, but it will never break any structure, and it will just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows, which is how we can tell the difference between a 1, 2, 3 and an ABC. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this definitely looks like an uptrend, probably an A. I think this is just a very sideways corrective ABC of B, and it does look like we probably are heading back up for a C, which would probably go up to the 50 or the 61.8. Now, like I said, if it doesn't break structure and just keeps making higher highs, higher lows, that's what will tell us that it's a wave 3. And honestly, it doesn't matter right now if it's a wave 3 or a wave C, because we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames anyways, until we see a break of structure to the downside, which would tell us it's a wave 3 and not a wave 3, wave C and not a wave 3. A break of structure to the downside is what will tell us it's a wave C. Series of higher highs, higher lows that just keeps on trending up is what will tell us it's a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.